Struggling with your Wacom tablet and looking for a quick and easy way to learn how to use it? Well, by the time you're finished watching this video, you're going to be well on your way to compositing like a pro using your Wacom tablet. And that's because I'm going to share why it's so darn hard to use this tablet, how to use it better, and then I'm going to show you how I use it to create composites just like this. Now, before we hammer down on this Wacom tablet, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more awesome video tutorials just like this one. Also, if you want to take your composites to that next level, head on over to my website at photoversity.com. That's photoversity.com, and download my 5 ways to screw up a perfectly good composite. Now, it's time for some Wacom enlightenment. Whoa!
All right, so here we are with the 3 reasons why the Wacom tablet sucks to use, which it actually doesn't suck to use. It's awesome to use, but in the beginning, it really does feel like it sucks to use, and you want to tend to give up a little quickly. And there's 3 reasons why we are like that. The first of being that we have no hand-eye coordination. And so when you're looking at, typically what happens is when you write something down or you're drawing something or anything like that, you're looking at your hand doing it. But with the Wacom tablet, that changes it up, all right? So now you're looking at a screen that is separate from your hand, and that gets a little funky sometimes. So hand-eye coordination is the first reason why it can be difficult to learn how to use. Number 2, we have a smaller perceived work area. So on our computer screens, generally, like I have a big iMac computer screen versus my small little Wacom tablet. So when you draw a circle, you're drawing a much smaller circle on your Wacom tablet than you actually are on your computer screen. And so that can be a little funky at times too, learning the difference there. It's like objects in the mirror may appear closer than they are, okay? And then finally, number 3, it acts as both a pen and a mouse. So we're used to using pens as pens and mouses as mouses, right? So now we're kind of combining those two, and it can get a little confusing. It takes a little bit of time to kind of learn the difference between what we're doing with the Wacom tablet pen part of it and the Wacom tablet mouse part of it. So those are the 3 reasons why the Wacom tablet can suck to use in the beginning.
Now, I'm sure I didn't have to tell you why the Wacom tablet is so hard to use, because after all, you've been trying to use it, haven't you? So the next step then is to learn how you can easily overcome all those reasons why it's hard to use, and then you can learn how to use it like a pro.
All right, so now it's time to learn the 3 ways to rock your Wacom tablet. And starting off with way number 1, and that is to practice your hand-eye coordination. And there are a couple of easy ways that you can do that, starting with juggling. Or you can actually flip a pen in your hand. And then way number 2, you can do, repeat, do, repeat, do, repeat. And when you're tired of doing and repeating, do it again and repeat. Repetition is the key to learning anything. It's muscle memory. So you're training your muscles to do certain activities that they're not used to doing. And generally, that just takes some time and doing it and repeating it, doing it and repeating it. You got to create that muscle memory. And then way number 3 is consistent hard work over time. So you practice your hand-eye coordination. You do it, you repeat it, you do it, repeat it, do it, repeat it. And you consistently do these things repetitively over time, and I guarantee that you will be rocking your Wacom tablet very, very quickly.
All right, so there you have it. If you do those 3 things consistently, I guarantee you'll be using the Wacom tablet like a pro in no time. Now, the cool thing about the Wacom tablet is you can use it however you want and whichever way best fits your workflow. For me, I don't ever use these buttons on the Wacom tablet, and I always just use the shortcuts on my keyboard, which means my workflow may look a little bit like this. Well, actually, it looks exactly like this. Alright, so that is the Wacom tablet. Why it's so darn hard to use, some quick and easy tips on how to use it better, and then how I use it to create my awesome composite. Now, don't forget that if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more awesome video tutorials just like this. Now, it's your turn to get to work with your Wacom tablet so you can get back to making awesome pictures.